Alright, so welcome to video 2. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get channel name using ChatGPT and how to get your page DP, like display picture and channel description. Or we are going to use ChatGPT. Alright, now you head over to ChatGPT. Let's say for instance you have a niche but you don't know how to start, you don't know where to start, you don't know a name you can give to that niche. All right, so for instance I'm going to be working with sports niche, like football niche. All right, so for instance now you say you know how you want to start football niche. All right, so you go ahead and ask ChatGPT, hey ChatGPT, I want to start a channel on sports niche. Please suggest a channel name for me. Okay, so after asking ChatGPT, what you do is you allow it to load, wait for it. You can see it. Here are some sport niche channel name suggestions. Game-based spotlights. You can see the athletic zone. You can see victory vibes. So you pick a name that you love. All right. So if you don't like this name, you can go ahead and tell ChatGPT to suggest more. Suggest more, and you search. You can see it, Hustle and Glory. You can see Power Play channel. So you just make sure you choose anyone that resonates with you. All right, so let's say I personally like this Kickoff Nation. Okay, Kickoff Nation. So I can decide to go with Kickoff Nation. So you copy it, you save it somewhere. All right, so I have a note where I used to save my stuffs. This is the note. So you can create a note especially for this. You can create a note and say Kick Off Nation. All right, so that's the channel name. Then you go back to ChatGPT again. You now tell ChatGPT, I have choose Kick Off Nation. Please generate me a channel description. Generate me a channel description. All right. So you search. You can see it. Welcome to Kickoff Nation, your ultimate destination for. So this is a very sweet video description. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are doing YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok. You can use them. So you can also decide to maybe add or remove what you don't like in this video description. All right, now the essence of ChatGPT is to guide you, if you don't have any idea or you don't have anything in mind to do. So ChatGPT is going to guide you step by step on how you can get or come up with ideas. All right, so you can decide to copy this. Now, before now, you must have created your account, whether Facebook, TikTok, or Facebook accounts. Now, we are not talking about how to create accounts here. I have a video that teaches how to create accounts. So if you don't know how to create accounts, just let me know. So I'll send you to, or you just visit any of my social media, Facebook, TikTok, or YouTube. You will see how to create your channel. All right. Now we have copied this. Now let's copy it. We go back to we paste it. So you just want to make it look nice, so you delete this one. All right, so we have gotten our channel name and channel description. All right, so now this is, you just copy it and create your channel name, and when it asks you for description or bio, so this can also be called bio on Facebook or TikTok is also called bio, but YouTube will ask you for channel description. All right, so you just paste it. After pasting it, boom, we are done. All right, the next thing now is we want to create a page DP. All right, so that page DP will be using Canva. You remember I told you we're going to be using Canva as well. So this is Canva. So you click on Canva, it will take us to the environment. Now this is social media. You click on the social media. Yeah, now you look for Facebook cover. If you are going for Facebook, you go to Facebook cover. But if you are going for YouTube thumbnail or YouTube cover, so you look for them. This is YouTube banner. So whichever channel you want to create, you just make sure you select the right one for your channel. Okay, so let's say we want to create Facebook cover. So you click on Facebook cover. It will give you examples. All right, to give you examples to choose from. So you can see something like this. So you look for, let's say we want to go let me just put football, so that we'll have the one that has football, because I want to talk about football. So you search for it. So you just take time. I think I like this one. So you just take time to check for what you want. So all this, you can edit them. You can edit it. Let's say, you remember our name, Kick Off Nation. So we have changed the name now. You can see now that's become Kick Off Nation. All right, so here you can delete it and add what you want. So you can add any text you want. Let's say what is your motto? You can decide to, okay, football in action. Sorry, this video is going to be a bit longer. Yes, because this is a preparatory class. So you can decide to you do what you want. You do how you want it to look like. You can change the color. You can change the color to what you like. You can change the color. You can use whatsoever color you like. Okay, so this is it. If your color is yellow, okay, you can choose yellow. If you have any color in mind, you can design your cover page with that color. So the essence of this, I just want to show you how you can use Canva to generate your DP, all right, and your cover page. So you can also do the same thing for your TikTok and YouTube, Facebook. So whichever one you are going for, if you want to post on the 3 platforms, you can still use them. All right, so after doing that, you click on save. You can see this up here. Yeah, just click on it. All right, so once you click on it, to tell you download, you click on the download, you hold on, you can see download. So it's downloading now. All right, so you wait for it to download. So it's done downloading. We are done with channel name and DP and channel description. So the next thing we are going straight into is content ideas and outsourcing. All right, so see you on the next video.